we're going to go through an application today to boost your Firestick, make it have more storage, more space, run that bit faster. It's 100% free and it's easy to install and set up. I'm going to show you how to do all of that. Quickly before we start, as you know, we've always done giveaways, but to avoid all the spammers and the scammers, we have moved the giveaways to my website. So what you will see here is I've set up a raffles page. It's linked underneath this video and it's also in the pinned comment, and everything is free entry. And they've all got different times on how long you can go for. We're giving away a Firestick 4K Max, we're giving away a Nvidia Shield TV, and we are giving away some gift cards to Gamdom. Gamdom is a online casino, so obviously make sure that covers your licensing and that's something you are interested in. But it does have its own terms and conditions on that. But they're all free to enter. This one only has 4 days left. You would add it to basket, like so, and it will move you through into your basket, up there if you want to. Or you can click on it and read more about it. And what will happen is, it will tell you need to sign up to a certain thing and everything like that. And that's all your perks for you. And then you can check out. Okay, this one only has 4 days left, so it's worth checking that one out. It's all free and you can cash out. So we'll go into that more at the end. Anyway, what we're talking about is this application here, which will clean over leftover app install files, which is great. Because if you download an application to install, these apps leave the install files and take up all your storage, and you wonder why you can't install anymore. Wipe app traces, remove app traces to protect privacy, prevent usage tracking, erase IP and online traces, unused data removal. I'm not a big one for clearing cache as such, but if it's not being used, it might as well go. But the key is unused. So you click on them, and they will run a clear. It will get your tick, and it will clear up a lot of space for you. Okay, so it's worth doing. Get it all done. It tells you what's removed as well underneath there, and what you will need to do. You can also check your storage whether it gets better for you. Okay, to get it, really simple. On your magnifying glass, just type in trace vanish. There we go. Click it, install it, and when you open it for the first time, make sure you do accept the permissions. It will need to get into your device to be able to do stuff, like all things do, so it can actually clear that stuff within it. Okay, we're going to give a quick shout out on that one to Fire TV Sticks. She covered that, and it's a great app, so I thought you guys would want to know about it. So, on the website, like I say, we've got tons of ones here. Get on there. They're all free entry. They've all got timers, and it's simple as that. If you get an email confirmation through, it will come through probably into your spam, so do check out. If you don't worry. All raffle winners will be announced, and it's not costing you a penny. And keep checking back, because we're going to have more and more. And these are linked directly underneath, so hit follow, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you soon.